a bit narrow, but we are at the campsite now, so let's start our camping trip. Okay. No! Did my wood came out?
Where was it before?
It has to be from the screw came off, I think. We shall see. I don't even know how to do this. He say like these, and then what? Oh, like this. I gotta check the stairs later too. I'm gonna put that in my van. Okay, let's begin to eat. And then the meat as well. Take this. And then, see, it's still hot even though I defrosted. Salt, is it? Did you say salt? Did you say salt? Need salt.
Yeah.
We need salt and we need soup base. What else do we need? Spoon and cutlery and all that, right? Fog. And then you want bowl and plate, both, right? Yeah, both and plate.
Bowl, I guess.
Bowl for the soup. You want chopstick or you want fork?
Chopstick.
Chopstick, is it? You prefer chopstick? Pass me the leaf now.
Whoa, it's a huge leaf.
Okay, and then perilla leaf. Oops, I got two. Perilla leaf.
Oops.
I don't want to eat the stem here.
Chopstick.
Fog. I'm gonna take this piece. Yes. Hello, meat.
And
Samyang. I forgot the kimchi today, dang it.
How about kimchi one?
Huh? They put some kimchi in there too, and then it's wow, perfect. And then,
You eat kimchi, kimchi spicy.
yeah, I know.
Okay, and then roll it.
We rolled and rolled and rolled. That's a bit too much leaf, I think.
You stuff the whole thing in the mouth. I can't.
This is nice. Oh, the leaf fell. Oh, so cold. Yeah, come in. You know what?
What?
I'm gonna wear it tomorrow again.
What?
I realized, you know what I realized?
What?
I was supposed to bring a pajamas top and bottom,
Yes.
but I bring a pajamas top and pajamas top. It's so annoying.
Bit wrong, huh? This time. No fire starter. Wrong time.
So, yeah, I think I'll have to finish it. But next week.
Mm-hmm.
Next week? Is it next week? No, not next week. The week after, I'm going to the ice, the snow, so probably.
With
use
this?
it. Yeah. I'm
Got
going
chain or not?
skiing. Yeah, I gotta have to order the chain. I'm going skiing, and then after that.
He's also going with you?
Yeah,
Okay.
And then where you going? What?
I scared you go yourself and then like how? Your car cannot make it.
I go skiing. So we use then 2 days.
Yeah.
So by then should be about to finish.
Okay.
Yes.
Where are you gonna sit?
Here lah. Same as last time. Up we go.
Oh. From a third party.
From a third party point of view. Shush!
By total annihilation, Yama!
Who's next? Who has the guts to step into the ring?
We got it. She outside. Eh, so wet. Can't even see anything. Where's your sausage? You want any salt and pepper? Salt. Oh my god. It just totally fell off. I'm gonna pass that to you. Can you hold it? I'm gonna have to put this in my car. I cannot drive by that, so dangerous. There, this one also. Anything else that's loose? Wow, the view here quite nice. Thank you. Concludes the end of our camping trip. Let's go home. I gotta watch the road this time round.